Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Kotlin errors with JetBrains, complete guide step by step clearly. Start your JetBrains IDE and open your Kotlin project. Identify the error you're encountering in your code. Carefully read the error message displayed in the IDE. Take note of the line number where the error occurs. Navigate to that line in your code editor. Understand the type of error you're dealing with, such as syntax, type mismatch, or unresolved references. For syntax errors, check for missing semicolons, brackets, or parentheses. Correct any typos or mistakes in variable names and method calls. If encountering a type mismatch, review the data types being used. Ensure that you're using compatible types in operations or function calls. If the error is due to unresolved references, verify that the necessary imports are present at the top of your Kotlin file. You can also check if the libraries or dependencies used are correctly defined in your project configuration. If the error persists, try rebuilding the project. Go to the Build menu and select Rebuild Project. Consult the Kotlin documentation for relevant guidance on the specific error. Utilize JetBrains' built-in inspection tools to identify potential issues in your code. Right-click on the error line and select Analyze. Choose the appropriate inspection for insights on how to resolve the error. Look for recommended quick fixes by hovering over the error highlight. Apply any suggested fixes where applicable. If you're still stuck, seek help from online forums or communities such as Stack Overflow. Post your specific error message along with relevant code snippets for context. As a last resort, consider updating your JetBrains IDE to the latest version. This can sometimes resolve issues related to bugs in older versions. After applying all fixes, run your project again to ensure that the errors have been resolved. Once resolved, continue coding with confidence in your newly fixed project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.